today we're going to look at the 3 phases of the kettlebell snatch. All right, this is the way that I like to teach the movement, and it should make it a lot simpler. The first position is your lockout. Shoulders down, arm is straight, body is tight and stable underneath it. Second position, your body is still in much the same position. Your elbows as close to your hip as you can get it, all right, and your hand extends out. From there, we weld our arm to our frame, and we find the bottom of the swing, the snatch, the clean. All these things are in this bottom position where I've got a long spine, my feet are balanced, and I'm ready to go. So this position, we snap our hips, find this position, elbow connected, fist as far away from my body as I can and flat to the ground. And then I punch to 11 and ride the bell into the lockout position near my ear. From there, I rush to that position here as quickly as I can, and then I find the hinge. So I'll show you a couple in motion. So 1, 2, 3. If you can find those 3 positions, then you're going to find that your snatch will feel a lot smoother and sharper. Enjoy.